Hello, Chef here. I'm in one of the kitchens and I'm getting ready to roast some peppers. Oh yeah, look at these beauties. Really, really nice. I got a yellow, an orange, and a red one right there in my stainless steel bowl. Heavy duty tongs required. I'm drizzling with a little bit of salad oil. By the way, this is canola oil. Some say that it's healthier. Anyway, I just want to coat the outside with a little bit of oil like this. For the full recipe, you're going to have to subscribe right down here. And once you subscribe, just put in peppers on this channel. And you're going to find several recipes for peppers. And then you'll be on the cutting edge. Oh yeah, look at those roasted peppers. The recipe is very simple. Preheat your grill, get it very hot, maybe 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the peppers on the grill, rotate every few minutes. After 10 to 12 minutes, they should get nice and brown. Remove, place in a mixing bowl, and cover them. Wait 10 minutes, then you can peel the peppers. Yes. At this point, you can peel, chop, slice, mix with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic. Serve them with fish, serve them with chicken, or save them for just an appetizer or snack. Yeah, a little bit on the plate just like this. Oh yeah, that's going to be really, really good. Diet, that's why I'm touching on them. And the gloves. Whole garlic. Super high antioxidant. You already know that from watching my other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast the garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic. All kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot of it every day. Boost your immunity. Star anise. Oh, it's a really nice quality. Hard to find.